Yes, this is to everybody that is out there and feels that wants to make money without investing a lot of money or with no money. So I know you're there. You have tried a lot of businesses to look for money. You have tried a lot of investment, but it can't come out. Here we are. This is Christine. I can tell you my story. I've tried more than 100 businesses since I became an adult, but it was hard for me to have a breakthrough due to many reasons as far as investing is concerned. You know, the world now is full of poverty mindset people. Most people are becoming poor and poorer, and others are becoming rich and richer. Here we are. I'm very sure the moment we join hands, the moment we say we can do it, the moment we decide to use those phones that are in our hands, the moment we turn our mindset from looking at bigger things and we also use the smaller things that are within our reach, like our phones, like the internet, we shall be kicking poverty out of us. So why is Immaculate Show and Money Gigs here? We are here to train. We are here to bring you lots of ventures as far as apps and internet is concerned. You have that platform that is on your table. You have that platform that you use every day. I'm very sure you can use it to make an empire. You can use it to make a living. So that's why I come every day and tell you how to make money on apps, how to make money on Facebook, how to make money on YouTube, how to make money on Twitter, and many of that. We train you. We really show you the way that you can be someone in order. You can be someone every day. You can be someone each time and each day. So this is Christine on Money Gigs and Immaculate Show. We post our videos in on time. We post weekly, we post daily, we post at any time, most frequently. So we are here to make you at least be someone, because I'm very sure there's someone out there that you cannot get those millions of money to do investment, talk less even thousands of money. But if you move with us, we'll bring for you very many methods as to make money using your phone and to make money using the internet. So let's go. You people, let's concentrate on this. I know we are going to make it. We are going to make it big and big. Thank you for listening. Please, if you like this video, if you like this channel, the Money Gigs sponsored by Immaculate Shop, go ahead and subscribe. You can also continue and share it to your friends. Please share it to your friends and tell us what you would wish to listen to.